Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. In my previous video, I discussed the differences between hard skills and soft skills. Hard skills and soft skills, we can describe them or relate them with the software and hardware in computer parlance. Hardware, you can see, feel, you can use five senses to handle it. Whereas software, can you see it? You just can't see software. It is an intellectual output by manipulating zeros and ones. So you can't see it, but without a software, the hardware is of no use. In the same way, we use five senses using our body. This is hardware. The software is your intellectual capability. They are soft skills. How you think, how you act, how you behave, particularly with others, are soft skills. Okay? Now, because these soft skills are an integral part of personality, I will discuss first about the character and personality. What are the differences? There are two types, like brain and mind. Brain has a weight. It is hardware, CPU of a human being. Brain is visible, but mind is invisible. In the same way, the software of a human being is mind, the thinking capability. Within thinking, we have these two entities called character and personality. Now we shall discuss these differences, and in my next video I will present the personality development and what is the meaning of it and how you can make use of it for your success. Now I shall discuss the differences between these two. Character and personality we often hear, but not as much as you hear personality, you don't hear character. You might have heard millions of times personality development. Now we will figure out the differences. Character is internal. What does it mean? I have a character which is based on my beliefs and my biases, my habits. It is internal. Nobody has a chance to know about my beliefs or biases or my habits. Habits in the sense, continuously I keep thinking about a particular issue is also a habit, not exactly physically doing it. We often feel that whoever is doing a thing repetitively, we call it as habit, but thinking is also a habit. So nobody knows about my habits unless until I reveal it, I disclose it. Whereas personality is external. Externalism, people will watch it. So we call it as behavior or conduct. How I conduct myself in society. So this is the major difference. And nowadays, soft skills are equated with behavioral skills. Earlier, in the interviews, there used to be like a HR round. Or the final round is known as HR round. Now it is being called as behavioral round. So another example is, it has, the character talks about my intentions. What are my intentions? Actually, I might like a person, I may not like a person, but externally my actions could be totally different from my intentions. Take for example, You may not like your boss, but you will say good morning. You will wish him. So your intentions may be totally different. So there is a big gap between your intentions and actions. So your character and personality could be totally different in certain occasions. And character is subjective. Subjective means you can deliver so many lectures, you can do a research, you can have findings, you can still improve it. That is subjective and it is debatable, it is not certain, it is dynamic. Whereas personality is objective. Objective is in the sense whatever is best for the occasion, you will act. It will bring you results. That's what. In case of character, you will go for reasons. Why I should do like that? What will I get? What is the benefit of doing it? So it talks about reasons. Whereas personality focuses on results. So that's why in interviews or in social occasions, interactions, people will follow good personality, good behavior, because they want best results for their success. And character deals with why. Why I should behave like that. What is the result of it? And personality deals with how I have to behave and what are the results. It focuses on that. And character has to do with principles. Principles doesn't mean good. It could be bad principles too. So the character has to do with principles and personality is related to techniques. A technique that you develop to get best results through interactions, through your behavior. And the other point is you can develop your character by learning or by possessing knowledge. Whereas personality requires observation. That means social observation, and whatever is giving best results will adopt. So it requires practice. The next thing is the character is also known as one's intentions or one's beliefs under the skin. Whereas in case of personality, it is an interaction between the skills. That's why in the modern day, character has taken a back seat. Nobody is interested. You can't really hear character development many a time. But you will hear the cliche word today is personality development because you want results. You are not interested in the intentions and doing good for the society, doing good for yourself. So personality development has gained so much importance in the society because of these reasons. So all in all, in my next video, I am going to present the meaning of personality development, how you can acquire different skills, that is techniques, through practicing personality development. By the way, there are two things: growth and development. Growth is physical, development is intellectual in personality development parlance. All these differences we shall discuss in detail in my next video. So watch out for my videos. Have a nice time. Good luck. Thank you.